It's ODL Finals and I got a sniffly nose. Let's just jump into it. I'm back again playing the Raging Annihilate. I won last time. Rematches don't normally go all that well, so we'll see what happens. Extremely brief team rundown. I don't totally remember what everything does. My brain has silly juices. I gave my Iron Valiant a timid nature with just enough EVs that it gets the speed boost, because I really don't care about having it much more than that. I got Psychic so I can hit the Toxapex, because otherwise I'm not touching that thing. Swampert with leftovers. I've got Torrent. It's only going to boost my flip turn, but you know what? If I get hit really hard before I flip turn, that'll be nice. Earthquake hits a lot of his team for super effective damage. Knockoff. Help me take out the Eviolite on the Bisharp. And maybe some leftovers, or I don't know, maybe a Black Sludge. Unlike the Toxapex. We got Corviknight. It's my only form of hazard removal. I don't really think he'll bring hazards, but you know, maybe. Especially like Toxic Spikes. But I got. Anyway, that's next. Body Press does numbers on ye old Ogerpon. I don't remember. I brought Substitute on Hydrapple. It's kind of bulky. You know, I hadn't really brought him to any other games, so I figured this would be kind of fun. There's kind of a reason I didn't bring him to any other games. Grass and Dragon's just a really tough type to deal with. But I don't think he'll be totally useless. You know, maybe I'll drop a double damage Fickle Beam. I don't know. That'd be sick. I brought enough speed to outspeed something. Base 60 maybe? I don't remember. Brought Toxtricity with Throat Spray and Shift Gear. I'll have +1 in attack that's totally useless, but the +2 will be nice. Other than that, I brought a bunch of sound-based moves, so my Throat Spray is for sure to go off. And enough speed that after +2, I think I outspeed everything. I hope. It's been a while since I checked the calcs, and I you know, maybe I should have done that before I started this. And then I brought Focus Sash Weavile, because that did so well the last time I used it. Sounds like I said it sarcastically, but it did. Sword Stance, Triple Axle, Ice Shard. I didn't bring Knockoff, though. You know, I feel like the Darkrais really got it out for me after I took it out with a Triple Axle last time. After I took it out with a Triple Axle last time. Probably won a Speed Tie. Now I got Brick Break. Plus, I took out Bisharp with 2 Ice Shards with a critical hit. Brick Break will do it without one of those. Gang. Hey. It's not broken yet. That's good. Okay, it's breaking though. Jeez. Okay. Kiryu needs either Great Tusker or Toxapex here. To me. I think regardless, I lead off with Swampert. Yeah, I could have flip turned, I guess, but that seemed like kind of a silly risk. Ouch. Not big enough of an ouch. Yeah, I think I just had to let that happen. Okay, now... I mean, all my moves are going to KO it, right? So... breaks my focus, Ash, I guess. No, it doesn't make contact. That's right. I guess I could have let that play out, but I didn't really want to. I forget that I'm recording this. Let's calm down a little bit here. Yeah, okay. I could have just swapped in the Toxtricity though, and that wouldn't have done anything, but... And it's reckless, so that's interesting. What's off? He was choice banded into Tailwind. Okay, that's actually pretty crazy. Okay. Hmm. Been going for punches on that? Okay. Interesting play. Hmm. Hmm. Sorry, I really feel like I'm not saying very much. I'm really deep in thought, and I'm not used to trying to say anything on Showdown. Not that I say much on, not that I say all that much on, Wi-Fi anyway. Boom. It's got boosted attack. Cool. Evened it out. Fish art. Probably have to just click overdrive. Kills. Cool. Let's go. This is just a clean sweep. Do I just win though? I hope so. Do I psychic noise or overdrive? Yeah, psychic noise. Oh! It was cool tech though, but whenever everything's on this low at health, I still feel like that was the right play to make. I didn't know what the set was exactly, but GG. Oh well, he left, but GG. That's the end of the ODL. Kind of weird that we had to end it on Showdown, but you know, I totally get it. There was definitely a few ups and downs in that, and I finally got to use Hydrapple for the first time. It was supposed to come week 7, but it never did because it just didn't work out. I've got another Wi-Fi league coming up. Expect it